Once I was a normal kid, but Mom did something funky. Now we just accept it. This is my life as a monkey. My life as a monkey. Yeah, it's my life as a monkey. Yeah.
Okay, class. Stay with the group as we take a tour of the Natural History Museum.
This is gonna be so boring, Reese.
Yeah.
Cool! A rock show!
Wrong kind of rock.
I've got an idea.
I've got a bad feeling about this. How'd we get here so...
Don't ask questions.
But...
Watch this. It'll be a barrel of fun.
How does he keep doing that?
I don't know. Reese, you're bananas!
Dude, quit monkeying around!
Day 4, 6, 7. Still no change in behavior.
Hey, how's it going?
Oh my stars, a talking monkey! I'm going to be so famous! Call a conference!
Huh?
Hey, wait, No, he's not a monkey! I mean, he is a monkey, but he's our friend, and then he was turned into a monkey, and he... Oh, what are we gonna do?
We've got to tell Miss Jane.
Can I get you anything? A latte?
Hey, get this monkey a latte!
The press are ready. Showtime.
What's your opinion on the banana import tariff?
Why the vendetta against Pam?
Hey, you're a monkey. Are you proud of who you are?
What do you mean, racist? Go on! A lady took him in.
And we don't know where she took him, but she's probably gonna cut open his brain, and then...
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh! I have never lost a kid before! My life is over. Your life? What about Reese?
Yeah, poor Reese.
You are the world's first talking monkey.
That I discovered after years of research!
How are you enjoying your 15 seconds of fame?
Don't you mean 15 minutes of fame?
Nope. I don't think you've got that long.
Time to get you back to the lab. Scientific American, here I come.
Hey, wait, don't I get a say in this?
No.
On the bright side, this is still better than school.
Hold it! That's my lab monkey! Oh, well, I guess if he's your lab monkey...
Mom! Dad!
We're happy to see you too, Reese.
Don't worry, son. No one will ever experiment on you again. Right, honey?
That was an accident. You're not going to make me drag around one little mistake for the rest of my life, are you?
I thought those idiots would never shut up!